Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming compatibility and network state. This avoids wasted attempts. Check whether your phone or laptop uses Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast, and make sure the display or dongle is powered and in discovery mode. Once the receiver is ready, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi or enable Wi-Fi Direct. Now open the casting or screen mirroring menu on your source device and select the receiver. This is the first actionable step toward mirroring. You now complete the connection and configure quality settings so the experience is smooth. After selecting the receiver, grant any permission prompts. This authorizes audio and screen sharing. Then pick the streaming quality or resolution to balance clarity and latency. Lower resolution if you see stutter. Make sure orientation is set correctly and enable additional features like remote input or microphone access if you need them. Once done, test video and sound. To verify, you finish by optimizing and knowing a quick fix if things go wrong. Close heavy apps and use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference. This improves latency. If the image lags or drops, lower the resolution, move devices closer, or restart the router and receiver. Make sure firmware and device drivers are up to date to avoid recurring problems. If needed, disconnect from the cast menu and repeat pairing. That often clears stale connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.